Leaked promo material for the S23 Ultra is here, which hyped the upcoming S23 Ultra 200 megapixel sensor. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So guys, only 21 days left for the launch of the S23 series, and now leaks are shaping up even faster and confirms some more info about the S23 Ultra. Today, a new leak has been arrived from reliable leakster Ice Universe, who shared two promo videos for the S23 series, and this is the first ever teaser for the S23 series. And although it's not going to be a full video, they are just like the promotion, as these teaser videos are full of buzzwords and catchphrases such as mode for moonlight, capture the night even in low light, stunning night photos are coming, megapixel that will make you saw wow, and wow worthy resolution is coming and soon. Now basically these buzzword and catchphrases are more focused on the low light photography, so definitely we can assume that the upcoming S23 series will be more focusing on the night photography as compared to the day one. So definitely this is going to be a big upgrade regarding the S23 series, particularly the S23 Ultra, because it's packing 200 megapixel camera sensor, which is going to be incredible. And another leak has been coming from Ahmed, who is our reliable leakster, give us a detail that a new Astro Hyperlapse is coming for the S23 series. Guys, you already know that the 108 megapixel sensor was used to capture the moon photos and videos, whereas this new 200 megapixel sensor, according to Ahmed, will be supporting the Astro Hyperlapse. So basically this means that Samsung is moving further from one step, jumping from moon to the stars. So probably this is going to be one of the best feature for the S23 series. Although fingers are crossed right now, we have to wait and see until the official announcement. So guys, since from the last couple of days we are hearing that a new autofocus system is coming for the S23 series, and particularly a new time of flight sensor might be coming for the S23 Ultra. But today Ice Universe has confirmed that it's not going to be the case. The laser autofocus on the S23 Ultra is going to be the same as the last year, only the color has been changed from red to black. Now guys, these leaks are going to be pretty much accurate right now, and some other leaks which also confirm few of the things of the S23 series. So guys, yesterday we have talked about the S23 series leather cases that has been leaked, which include the S23, S23 Plus and S23 Ultra. But these cases also confirm another thing about the camera sensor data coming for the S23 Ultra device. Basically, Ice Universe has compared both the S23 and S22 Ultra, and he confirms that a new big sensor are coming for the S23 Ultra devices instead of having the same sensor. These new big sensor will definitely means to get more light in there and will give you a better quality of videos and photos. Another thing that is noticeable in these new leather cases, that the power and the volume button has been shifted a little bit downwards to just give you a more better user experience. Not only these leaks, but also some other leaks has been confirmed by Samsung itself on their official website, which includes the official announcement of the Unpacked event, and it's going to be happening on February 1st. Plus also it has been confirmed that the pre-order for the S23 Ultra in some regions will be coming with a Galaxy Buds Pro. So guys, all in all, I'm super excited about the S23 series. It's going to be packing some incredible camera sensor. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you excited about these new camera features? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.